What's up, everybody? Welcome to Info Media Strategies and Tips. Welcome. I'm very excited about this announcement because YouTube has made some changes and updates for 2022 when it comes to YouTubing. If you're a new YouTuber, you're going to love this announcement. This announcement is so great, I got to clap for this. I have to, folks. This announcement is fantastic. So let's get into it right now. For most of you that are new YouTubers, one of the requirements that YouTube pretty much pushed out there a few years ago, and a lot of people were upset about this, was the fact that you couldn't live stream on your cell phone any longer unless you had 1,000 subs, or in this case, subscribers. But now YouTube has relaxed that rule for 2022, and guess what? This is fantastic, folks. You only need to have 50 subscribers to your channel, especially if you're a new YouTuber. So now you can live stream to your heart's content with your cell phone. And I know how popular that is when people who like to vlog and go out about their day with their cameras in YouTube in that fashion. So that's a fantastic rule change. That's a game changer for some of you out there that's been waiting to get your 1,000 subs to go live with your cell phone. Now, the next rule that I think is fantastic, it's just fantastic, is the rule about having a community tab. Now, for so long on YouTube, you had to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be able to have a community tab. And a community tab allows you to really connect with your audience, for them to be able to connect with you. You can send out posts. You can do polls where people can take a vote on what type of content they want to see you work on. You can show pictures of yourself and really communicate with the audience and give an audience a heads up on the next live stream that you're going to present or the next upcoming video. So it's really great to connect with the community. So now, this is fantastic. You no longer have to have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel to be able to have a community tab. They are allowing people who have 500 subscribers. So if you got 500 subscribers instead of 1,000 subscribers, you are now going to have the privilege and the honor and the access to having a community tab on your channel. This is fantastic information, ladies and gentlemen. I want to lay on you right now. Another little area that I want to talk about, because I am going to do a video about how to go about monetizing your channel, and some of the things you need to be aware of. And I'm going to remind you of this in coming videos around this issue. If you are doing YouTube shorts, and I know that's becoming very, very popular, and people are getting as much as 1 million views, thousands of views on their YouTube shorts, guess what? YouTube will not recognize the YouTube shorts towards your watch time to get monetized if you are a new channel utilizing YouTube shorts. So just keep this in mind. The YouTube shorts won't give you watch time. This is straight from YouTube themselves. Now, another area is if you have videos on your channel that you have either put in private or you have made unlisted at any time and point in time in this process to become monetized. Well, this is the facts and the reality from YouTube. YouTube will not give you watch time on any videos that you have put on private and that are on unlisted. YouTube is only going to give you watch time for videos that are up in public on your channel. Another thing is a reminder, and I'll be talking about this when it comes to trying to earn the 400 hours towards the watch time that you need to gain the 400 hours to now get your channel monetized, is the 12-hour rule. YouTube, this is straight from YouTube again. If you're doing live streams that are over 12 hours, guess what? YouTube's going to archive that, and you're not going to get watch time from that as well. So for those of you on the YouTube streets who like to do these silent streams to earn watch time, I'm going to be doing a video about that very soon. You might want to rethink these silent streams, and I'm going to go more into detail about silent streams in a later video that'll be coming to you very soon. So with that said, this is one of the updates folks. So I hope you got something out of this update, especially if you are a new YouTuber, brand new, or you're someone who still is trying to get 10 subscribers, 20 subscribers, 30 subscribers, and you're waiting. Well, guess what? You'll be able to live stream with your phone, and therefore that's going to also work towards watch time as well. So with that said, thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone out there is well. Thank you. This is very important too. Before I get out of here, I want you to like this video because it helps the video move through the algorithms of YouTube. Oh, another thing I want you to do is watch another video. I appreciate you out there. And guess what? I'm going to always tell you what you need to know. So take care. Let's grow our channel strong together. This is Info Media. Take care. Peace.